When Angola finally broke free from Portuguese rule in 1975, freedom came with both joy and uncertainty. The people had fought for independence, but peace did not come easily. Almost immediately, a new war began, a war not between colonizers and the colonized, but between brothers. The MPLA, UNITA, and FNLA, three movements that once stood together for liberation, turned their guns against each other. For 27 years, Angola was torn apart. Families were divided, cities destroyed, and millions displaced. It was one of Africa's longest and most painful civil wars, fraught by Cold War rivalries far beyond its borders. Yet, even in the darkest times, the people held on. Farmers returned to their fields, mothers rebuilt their homes. The rhythm of drums still echoed through the night, reminding everyone that life must go on. In 2002, the guns fell silent. Angola began to rebuild, brick by brick, road by road, hope by hope. Today, its cities are rising again, and its people are rewriting a new chapter, one of healing, growth, and unity. The scars remain, but so does the strength, because Angola's story has never been about war.